A step-by-step guide to saving your relationship, rebuilding trust after infidelity. Cheating is a significant problem that can erode trust and the emotional bond between spouses. It can take time and effort to rebuild trust after cheating, but with persistence, tolerance, and open communication, it is possible to do so and repair the relationship. Here is a guide on how to re-establish trust after lying. Step 1. Admit fault and extend an apology. The person who cheated must first accept full responsibility for their conduct if confidence is to be restored. This entails understanding the grief and pain that their partner is experiencing and honestly apologizing. The apology must be sincere and not merely a way to avoid trouble. Step 2. Transparency and communication. In any relationship, open and honest communication is crucial, but it becomes even more crucial following a trust violation. Encourage your spouse to talk to you about their feelings and thoughts, and be ready to listen to them without passing judgment. It's critical to be open to learning about your partner's feelings and motivations, as well as straightforward and honest about your own. Step 3. Address the underlying issue that led to the cheating. Cheating is typically a sign of a more serious issue in the relationship. To make cheating less likely to occur in the future, it is crucial to address its underlying causes. This could entail talking about and finding solutions for concerns with intimacy, communication, or jealousy. Step 4. Create fresh borders. Setting new limits is necessary to re-establish trust after infidelity in order to create a sense of security and stability in the union. This could entail creating clear lines of communication and trust, as well as reaching agreements around what behavior is and isn't appropriate. Step 5. Take your time. It takes time and care to restore confidence. In order to successfully complete the process, both parties must be prepared to put up the effort and exercise patience with one another. It takes time to rebuild trust, but it can be done with regular work and honest communication. Conclusion: rebuilding trust after cheating is a difficult but crucial process that needs both partners' commitment and endurance. It is possible to rebuild trust and repair the relationship by accepting responsibility, communicating honestly, addressing the underlying cause of the cheating, setting new boundaries, exercising patience, and, if required, getting outside assistance.